Hey friends, I'm John Laspina, your carnivore teacher, back with a very quick mini series on healthy animal fats to cook with. This one is fish roe. Now you don't cook with this, you just add this to your meal. What is fish roe? It's eggs from fish like salmon eggs, sturgeon eggs, or cod eggs. I love them. Some people hate them. They're too fishy for them. I just love them. They pop in your mouth. If you eat them the caviar kind, you just put them in your mouth and they're just so delicious, and that's the best way to get those eggs in your diet because, again, they're high in unsaturated fat that's healthy, DHA and EPA, but you don't want to heat them up and cook with them. So composition is 25 to 30% saturated fat. In fish roe, monounsaturated is 30 to 35%, and the polyunsaturated is the good stuff, DHA and EPA, 30 to 40% omega-3 fatty acids. Absolutely good for you. Don't heat them up. Just eat the eggs. Delicious. Where do you get them? Wild caught fish roe from specialty grocers or online. I have seen ours at Whole Foods at a Whole Food price, so I don't get them often. Japanese restaurants, masago or ikura. These are fish eggs. Delicious. Look for caviar or salmon roe in the sushi restaurants, and you want to eat them raw, and they're phenomenal. Leave me a comment and tell me if this nauseates you or if you love it like I do. If I could afford it, I would have them in my refrigerator all the time and have a little bit every day. They're just too steep in price, so I get them at special occasions. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me comments and tell me about your thoughts on fish eggs, which are a superfood, absolutely healthy and delicious for you. Stay tuned for my next video, which is about chicken schmaltz. See you then.